Hi everyone, today's headlines. Nagaland government creates 3 new districts. Drone delivers medical supplies to Tuensang. India successfully tests nuclear-capable ballistic missile Agni-P. Terrorists killed in Srinagar encounter, search OP underway. Political murders rock Kerala. 2 leaders killed in last 10 hours in Alappuzha, Section 144 imposed. News in details. Nagaland government creates 3 new districts. The Nagaland government on Saturday created 3 new districts, bringing the total number of such administrative units in the state to 15. The state cabinet decided on the formation of Zemenyu, Newland and Chumukuruma district. Deputy Chief Minister Patton told the journalists on the sidelines of the program here. While the Zemenyu subdivision in Kohima district has been upgraded to a district, Newland and Chumukuruma have been carved out of Dimapur district. Though there were demands from at least 11 tribes for the creation of new district, the cabinet could consider only 3 of them, as some districts are inhabited by only 1 tribe and those cannot be divided, the Deputy Chief Minister said. Drone delivers medical supplies to Tuensang. To assess the feasibility of using drone for sending COVID-19 samples from Mokokchung to Tuensang, as the district does not have a COVID-19 RT-PCR testing facility, a drone project was carried out at Tuensang Parade Ground on Saturday with the assistance of DEF Tuensang. The proposed pilot project was undertaken by the Indian Council of Medical Research in collaboration with the state health authorities, informed an update from DIPR. The drone, equipped with about 3,000 units of medical supplies, took about 26 minutes to reach Tuensang from Mokokchung. According to the iDrone project, over 7,000 units of medical supplies have been transported to Nagaland through this project, read the update. India successfully tests nuclear-capable ballistic missile Agni-P. India on Saturday successfully tested the new generation nuclear-capable ballistic missile Agni-P from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island off the Odisha coast, the Defence Research and Development Organization said. The Agni-P is a 2-stage canisterized solid propellant ballistic missile with dual reductant navigation and guidance system, it said. The test was conducted at 11:06 am. Various telemetry, radar, electro-optical station and downrange ships positioned along the eastern coast tracked and monitored the missile trajectory and parameters. The missile followed textbook trajectory, meeting all mission objectives with a high level of accuracy, the DRDO said in a statement. Terrorists neutralized in Srinagar encounter, search operation underway. An unidentified terrorist was killed in an encounter with security forces in the Harwan area of Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir on Sunday, said police. 1 unidentified terrorist killed, search going on. Further details shall follow, tweeted Kashmir Zone Police. Political murders rock Kerala. 2 leaders killed in last 10 hours in Alappuzha, Section 144 imposed. 2 violent deaths have rocked Kerala's Alappuzha in the last 10 hours, with the killing of SDPI leader KS Shan, followed by the murder of BJP leader Ranjit Srinivas, who was hacked to death in his house on Sunday. Meanwhile, Section 144 has been imposed in the Alappuzha district, said A. Alexander, district collector. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan had condemned the 2 alleged murders in Alappuzha, the CMO said in a statement. Srinivas, the 40-year-old BJP leader, was hacked to death by unidentified attackers inside his house. He was the OBC Morcha Kerala State Secretary and a member of the BJP State Committee. That's all for now. To get this latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.